Hello and welcome to the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host Brian Hernandez, and today we're going to show you why keto is neato. Now, with all the emphasis on health and weight loss lately, keto has become a very popular choice for those wishing to trim down. But as always, there's a downside. No carbs allowed, meaning no pizza dough. So today, we're going to show you a tasty alternative to pizza crust that fits all the keto rules. Given to us by our friend Ron Matthews of Rockstar Pizza in Brownsburg, Indiana, this recipe beats all the other crust alternatives for keto pizza, such as portobello mushroom caps or omelet bases. Now, while I'm sure they all taste great, they do not have the quintessential pizza taste. They are but mere vessels for cheese and sauce. Using flour and grain substitutes, this recipe will get you as close as you can to that heavenly flavor without using one of your cheat days. And after production, these can be prepped and held to use in your restaurant or home the next day, giving you a new item to add to your menu or to trick all the non-ketoers in your household. So for this recipe, we're going to need almond flour, coconut flour, pecan meal, white wine vinegar, an egg, sea salt, garlic salt, Italian seasoning and rosemary, shredded mozzarella and provolone cheese, and cream cheese. You're going to need 2 bowls for preparation. In bowl number 1, mix all the grains, the white wine vinegar, egg, salt, garlic, and seasoning mix, and mix thoroughly. In the second bowl, add the mozzarella and provolone mixture and the cream cheese. Microwave it for 35 seconds, remove and stir. Return it to the microwave for another 45 seconds, then remove and stir. When completely mixed and still warm, knead ingredients from both bowls together into one. Roll out the dough onto a sheet pan and par-bake the crust at 425 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. Let cool before using. After that, top with all your keto-friendly ingredients, bake the crust at 425 degrees, and enjoy. Well, there it is, guys. A delicious alternative to traditional pizza for all those dieters and health-conscious people out there. Now, the only thing left to do is cut this up and see how it baked. All right, we have a fully cooked dough on the bottom. The cheese is melted, the pepperoni is cooked. You can fold it. I'll tell you what, guys, honestly, I'm surprised. The mix is great. It's not very nutty as you would think with all the almond and pecan in there, but the Italian seasoning and the rosemary gives it that great crust flavor. Holds up, has a texture of a good crust. And this can be topped with anything that's keto friendly. So there you go. You've got a great base. You just have to make it what you want it to be. Well, that's all the time we have in the kitchen today, folks. I hope you all give this recipe a try in your homes or your restaurants. I'd like to thank Ron Matthews of Rockstar Pizza in my home state of Indiana for this recipe. And if you want to learn more about the keto trend, be sure to check out the story in the November 2018 issue of PMQ. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez. I'll see you next time, but until then, keep those ovens lit.